This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Alright guys, it is March 21st, 2019. 5:40 at night. Got a call from this guy. I have put a condensate pump in this guy's furnace a couple of months ago. He's calling me, he's got no heat. So I'll go over there and see what's going on. Me and Miss Molly are working again, mama. Oh yeah, next level. Next level. Anyway, it might be the condensate pump that's backing up. Maybe that condensate line is blocked. It was pumping when I was there last time. We'll see. It said there's a burn smell coming from the pump. Whatever that means. We'll see when we get there. I got another pump in the truck if I need it. You know, I did wire the end switch on that condensate pump through the red on the furnace. So if there's water in that pump, that furnace power won't go to the thermostat. So we'll have to see. It's not far from my house, right down the street. A couple of streets down, so. Guys kind of handicapped, so I hate to leave them without heat all night, even though it's not that cold. Alright, try to get you some shots. You have to turn on your electric blanket. Looking very stylish today. Oh yeah, you're looking very stylish. Well, don't seem like that's a problem. There's no water in there. I don't think that's the issue. I'll have to take it apart. And your thermostat's up, Colin?
Want me to turn it up?
Yeah, turn it up. Did you got it down?
Yeah, it's down right now.
Yeah, turn up the thermostat. The fan's not running. The fan's not kicking in. Your blower fan. Hear it?
Yeah. Was they even doing that before?
You asked me how good Goodman was?
Yeah.
Well, they all break, I guess. If that motor don't spin, ain't nothing gonna work. That's, yeah, the sucker's hot. That's probably the burnt smell you were getting. Oh yeah, she's jacked. Unless there's a bird in there.
Oh shit, really?
Could be. Yeah, can't even spin it. That thing's just flipping jacked. Not good. Can't get that until the morning. I don't think it would be a bird, not with a 2-inch like that. You know, if it was 3-inch, it'd be different.
Yeah.
But yeah, the thing's just. Hear it?
Mm-hmm.
It's not the pump. Well, we're gonna get another blower exhaust fan motor, but that ain't gonna happen till the morning. They're closed now. I ain't got that in the truck. I could take the model and serial and call them first thing in the morning and get it for you. I mean, that's the best you're gonna do. You got any electric heaters?
I got one.
That's what it is, guy. I can feel this thing's red hot. That's the thing you said was, you could hear it, you could smell it, right?
Right.
So, I got the model and serial, and we'll call first thing in the morning and get a blower assembly for it. That's definitely it right there. Oh, good. Alright guys, I just left that job. I gotta get that exhaust fan motor first thing in the morning. You know, I was there a couple of months ago, put that condensate pump in. He called me, oh, the condensate pump smells burnt. Something wrong with that pump you put in. Well, it wasn't that. It was the exhaust fan motor that crapped out. So I don't rush to judgment on stuff until I get there and see exactly. I'll get another one in the morning, and hopefully they have it in stock. They should. There's a big company that I deal with a couple of towns over that has a lot of Goodman stuff. They should have that in stock, hopefully. He's got a couple electric heaters. He said he'd be alright until the morning. Well, he ain't got much choice, does he? Ain't gonna run without that exhaust fan motor. I mean, that thing was choked. I tried to move it, and it was just not wanting to hear it. I doubt if there's a bird in there, because it's 2-inch pipe the whole way. If it was a 3-inch pipe, well, I'd be looking at that, considering it. You know, if it was a 4-inch pipe into a chimney, could be a bird down in there, but the chances of it with that 2-inch pipe is very slim. Miss Molly is working again, yo. Oh, yeah, you working again? Are you working again? Yeah, you love working. You love going to work with Daddy. You love working. You are one working machine. You are one working machine. Oh, yeah, you are. One little midget. You're a midget. You're a midget. You want to go in?